Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install or uninstall legacy optional features on Windows 11. For this, first open Settings app by pressing Windows plus I key on the keyboard or any other method. Then click on this one System option and then scroll down to the bottom and click on this one Optional Features. Again, scroll down to the bottom and click on this one option, More Windows Features. This will open Windows Features window. You can also open this one by clicking on the search button and typing here Windows Features. This will open similar window. In the search results, click on this one, Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, if you want to install someone application, check the option, and to uninstall the option, just uncheck the option and then click on this one OK button. After that, Windows will prompt you to restart your machine. After restarting your machine, Windows will install or uninstall depending on your selection of the features on your Windows PC. Like this, you can install or uninstall legacy optional features on your Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.